Now let us get ready for a visual treat, an exotic experience. The Queen of Forests, Jhargram. Dwelling in the depths of Shal, Mohul and Pial, it is just 180 kilometers from Kolkata. A land of wilderness and silence, mingling with the gurgling Dulung River, this tribal paradise of Bengal gives you a sense of endless freedom amidst blissful nature. The sprawling Jhargram tourist lodge stands at the end of a winding path, surrounded by Shal forests. Meet the tribal dancers in colorful attire, matching steps to traditional beats of Dhamsha Madhul. You can also join in their fervor, or just sit by the banks of Dulung watching a fisherman cast his net. Set out on a day trail down winding forest paths to visit the Rameshwar temple and Tapovan. The ancient temple, built in 1400 AD, is known to the Vaishnavas as Gupta Vrindavan. The idols of Radha Govinda, along with Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra, will mesmerize you. So will the Kanak Durga temple, hidden deep in the forests with the Dulung River to its east. This forest is special, as it is the home to more than 400 species of medicinal herbs. Staying in the Grand Jhargram Palace, which has now become a heritage hotel, is indeed a regal experience. Built in 1931, the palace is one of the finest examples of Indo-Saracenic architecture spreading over 30 acres. Trek along the hilly forest lands of Kakrajhor and experience the charm of 9,000 hectares of hardwood trees, including Kusum, Shal and Shegun. Or shed some kilos climbing up the verdant Gurrasini hills with a temple at the top and an ashram at the foothills. You will be at the top of the world as you look down on the dense forests with serpentine trails often tread by tribal women. On the banks of the Khandarini lake, you can join them as they perform an almost extinct tribal dance form known as sarpa, with rows of pots on their heads. Get a view of tribal life, their instruments, art and crafts at the Tribal Interpretation Center, which houses a rich museum. Around 12 kilometers from Jhargram stands another palace known as Chilkigarh Palace. This historical palace has a long wall which protected it from Burgi attacks. The 350-year-old Savitri temple has a popular legend. It is said that Savitri Devi inspired Rajput warrior Sarveshwar Singh to stay back at Jhargram. Her stone idol is still worshipped in the temple. Stone carving is a traditional craft practiced by tribal craftsmen. Belpahari, 45 kilometers from Jhargram, is a paradise in the Dolma Hills and has a variety of tropical trees like shal, Mahua, pial and shonajuri. Just listen to the tribal drums reverberating through the dense forest as you match steps to the famous Pata dance of Jhargram. Children love visiting the well-kept Jongol Mahal Zoological Park. Get a rare glimpse of nature's glory at the Ghagra waterfalls, around 8 kilometers from Belpahari. The gurgling streams of Ghagra, lashing against the craggy rocks, blend with the rustic aura of Jhargram. Wind up your trip with the popular folk Nangra dance beside the majestic Subarnarekha river as the sun sets over the serene forests of Jhargram. Step into the virgin greens and enjoy a breath of fresh air. Come to Jhargram.